How to remove the text from photos in Photopea. Hello everyone, my name is Smiled, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove the text from the image on Photopea. Make sure you have the Photopea on your phone. If not, then you can simply go on the Google browser also to just edit the images on Photopea. After you go there, you will see that an image has a text on there. Now, when there is a simple solid color background, we can remove text simply by painting over with a brush. You will get a brush which is of the same color as your background, and you can just paint it out to just remove your thing. And doing that, everything will be just closed up. But if there is complex background, then behind the text, what you'll do it, painting with a solid would make our fix too obvious. Instead, we will clone the background and put the cloned part over the text. So you can just clone the background which is black color, and that clone you will just put it in front of the text, and it will be blocked and it will be removed from your screen as well. So that's how you can remove from the Photopea. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.